Good morning. So we have an event today. It's called Ideathon that we have to go and attend in Ahmedabad, and we are going to represent our project over there. So it's 5 o'clock right now, and we are going to leave around 6:30. So this is gonna be my outfit for today, and it's just white shirt and black pants, and that's it. I'm really excited for today. I mean, I've never been to an event like this. It's kind of new thing for me, and I want to experience this. So let's quickly get ready. Okay, so the white shirt was looking really decent, but it was my friend's shirt, so it was a bit tight from my arms, and so I have to change it. And I'm wearing this cream now. This also looks nice. Now we are having a little breakfast, and then we leave for Ahmedabad, and we have booked a taxi. We four of the team members will reach Ahmedabad by 9:30, I guess. Now we are done with the breakfast, and we are on way to Ahmedabad. आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर द इवेंट, बट जैसे जैसे नज़दीक आ रहा है मेरे को ऐसा बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वसनेस हो रही है. लेट्स सी, अभी वहाँ पे जाके ही पता चलेगा कि हम कैसा परफॉर्म करते हैं. So we have reached here, and the university is so good. I mean, yeah. I'm really excited. Now we'll go and find. We'll ask someone कि भाई किधर जाना है, बता दो इवेंट कहाँ पे होने वाला है वगैरह वगैरह. आई होप एसी हो, बिकॉज बहुत गर्मी है भाई, बहुत गर्मी है. अभी तो एसी में आए हम लोग. टैक्सी में एसी था तो पता नहीं चला, बट उतरते ही इट इज़ सो हॉट हियर. We are seeing everything. How are you feeling, guys?
Nervous as well.
What about you, sir? Don't worry, you'll do well. Hope so. Bro, it's our chance. After this, how are you feeling? So we are done with the presentation, and now we are having lunch, and now we are waiting for the results. Let's hope for the best. And after the lunch, we'll have an overview of our project. So now we are done with the lunch, and we are waiting for the other teams to complete their presentations, because once they are done, we'll have our results announced. So, yep. And till that, we are waiting here in the hall, and we can just have an overview of what we presented. what our project was all about. So basically, it was an AI ML model, and it's a beach prediction model, beach safety prediction model. My bad. It was about beach safety prediction model, and this model uses parameters like wind speed, wind directions, humidity, temperature, and certain other parameters to predict if the beach is safe to visit or not. And there are no existing systems right now like this in India. So this was a good idea because there are no such projects yet in India. And yeah, I'll show you my project. Wait. So this is our website, like our project, and let's see what is Aqua Sentinel. It's basically a model. So let's see. So yeah, basically what happens here is the user have to input latitude and longitude of the required beach or the required location, and then they can get the prediction based upon these parameters that are temperature, humidity, wind speed, and such parameters that will decide if the beach is safe to visit or not. And then there's this prediction made by the model that it's safe with a confidence score of 95%. And we also have this classifications and graphical representations to show. And yes, that is it. We can also input different latitudes depending on the beach we want to go, and it will predict if it's safe or not. तो हाँ, यही था हमारा प्रोजेक्ट. एंड प्रेजेंटेशन के वक्त उन्होंने काफी क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे, काउंटर क्वेश्चंस करे थे, बट वी आंसर्ड देम वेल. जैसे कि उन्होंने पूछा था कि ये प्रोजेक्ट का प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन क्या है, प्रैक्टिकल यूज क्या है, फिर तुमने ये जो डेटा लिया है, ये जो पैरामीटर्स लिए, वो कहाँ से है, अगर वो रियल टाइम डेटा है तो कहाँ से लिया. तो लाइक हमने ओपन वेदर मैप API करके API से डेटा फैच करवाया, एंड वी यूज दिस पैरामीटर्स टू predict the model. फिर they also asked about the business model that we have used in this. फिर they also asked कि ऐसे कौन से factors हैं जो ocean dangers को trigger करते हैं, जैसे कि wind speed है, wind direction है, और strong currents होते हैं oceans के अंदर. तो ये कुछ 3-4 चीजें हैं जिसके कारण कोई भी unpredictable dangers आ सकते हैं like coastal areas पे. तो लाइक हाँ, यही था हमारा प्रोजेक्ट, एंड नाउ वी आर वेटिंग जल्दी से रिजल्ट्स आ जाए. वी रियली होप यार जीत जाए, प्लीज प्लीज. आई एम जस्ट मैनिफेस्टिंग कि बस जीत जाए.
मार्केट है सर, टोटल जो ग्लोबल मार्केट है न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल का, वो पूरा $400 बिलियन है, जिसमें इंडिया का कंट्रीब्यूशन है 1.33%, जो कि $6 बिलियन होता है, और गुजरात का जो उसमें वो है 15%, जो कि $500 मिलियन. रॉ मटेरियल अवेलेबिलिटी सर है बिकॉज
Second category was sustainability and fintech. First prize goes to Ludwig Parmar, Ever Vital. We are watching future entrepreneurs. Please round of applause. Just getting 15,000 rupees of a cash money allowed as a certificate. And maybe next turn is yours. First winner, Dave Yuti, ULA, meet after Second winner, Savan Kathiria, Jeetu School of Engineering, YOLO. Full round of applause again. Last but not least, Ms. Mansi Paja, GC Gandhinagar. Auto number 7.
भाई 12 बजे के खड़े थे हम लोग, वेट कर रहे थे. रिजल्ट्स आए. 6 बज गए, अभी जाके इवेंट खत्म हुआ है. अभी इवेंट खत्म हुआ एंड एवरीवन इज डिसअपॉइंटेड. लाइक ठीक है, 3 कैटेगरीज थी, एग्रीकल्चर, फाइनेंस एंड AIML, और हमारा AIML था। तो वी रियली थॉट कि हमारा चांस है, बिकॉज हमारा इनोवेशन था, ऐसा इंडिया में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता ऐसा मॉडल बीच सेफ्टी वाला, एंड वी रियली थॉट कि हो जाएगा, बट नाउ एवरीवन इज वॉकिंग डिसअपॉइंटेड। भाई गुस्सा तो आएगा ना, भूख भी लगी है, नींद भी आ रही है, इतना सर फट रहा है भगवान। कोई नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम अभी ट्राई करेंगे। अभी तो भूख लगी है, कुछ खाएंगे जाके, फिर निकलेंगे वापस घर जाने के लिए। So I have finally reached home and it's 10 o'clock. I'm about to sleep. That was it for today. It was a good day. We learned a lot. We met new people. We saw different projects and everything. It was good. We didn't win, but yeah, we learned a lot of things. And overall, it was a good experience. So that was it for today. See you in the next vlog. Bye.